studio in Toronto. Oh, but the only eyewitness I could track down was an old-time prospector, Charlie Flood. He's 72 now. He was born himself in the shadow of the mountains around Harrison Lake. Well, he remembers, however, one day in 1915, when with two other men, Donald McRae and Green Hicks, he was on a prospecting trip. They had just passed the Green Drop Lake, which is 25 miles south of Hope, gone over a burned-out piece of land where there was a dense growth of huckleberries, when they saw something. Let's ask Charlie Flood about what he saw. Now, I want you to remember back to 1915 and tell me what you saw near the berry bushes that day.
A creature standing on his hind legs.
A creature?
Yeah.
How big was it?
Well, it looked to be, from where we were standing, he'd stand about 8 feet high.
Now, did it strike you as unusual? Did it look like a bear for us right off the bat?
Well, it looked like a bear, but it looked larger than a bear.
Bigger than a bear?
Bigger than a bear.
What did the Green Hicks think it was?
Well, he stopped us. He's ahead. He says, look over there. There's a wild man over there.
A wild man?
A wild man.
This must have given you a bit of a shock,
Yeah, it was a shock, yeah.
Now, what did Donald McRae think it was?
Well, he laughed. Oh, he says, that's a bear, he says.
That's a bear?
Yeah.
Meanwhile, what was the creature doing?
Well, the creature eating berries.
Eating berries?
Eating berries.
And then, did it hear you? Did it make any move at all?
Well, he's eating berries, but he suddenly stopped. He didn't look around, and he disappeared in the brush.
Disappeared in the brush? Tell me, what color was this creature?
Well, it's a kind of a brownish color.
Brownish color. It was about 8 feet tall, you think?
It looked 8 feet tall. From the distance, we were about 200 yards from it.
Was it covered with any kind of fur or hair?
Well, you couldn't tell, but it looked like a fur mattress.
Looked like a fur?
Yeah.
Did you go over to the bushes and see if there were any tracks there?
We didn't go over. We kept on going.
And I think I'd have kept on going